Welcome to the Zepl tutorial, How to Publish a Notebook. Publishing a notebook in Zepl gives you the ability to share a public URL with anyone, even if they are not a Zepl user. This makes sharing your notebooks, reports, and insights easier than ever. First, click on any notebook. Then go to the upper right-hand corner and click on the three dots. Click Publish, then turn the Publish button on, copy and paste the URL, and click Apply. You now have a shareable URL. Now, anyone with this URL can see your notebook in read-only mode. They won't be able to edit or run it, but they can import this notebook into their own Zepl account. Want to make your notebook private again? Just go back to the three dots, click the Publish button, turn the Publish button off, and click Apply. Now you're ready to share your notebooks with anyone at any time.